Number 7, again, if you haven't read through the problem yet, go ahead and do that. We're looking for the price each of one adult ticket and one student ticket. So we're going to let x equal the price of an adult ticket, and we're going to let y equal the student ticket price, or the price of one student ticket. So you can write it either way, doesn't really matter. On the first day of ticket sales, the school sold 7 adult tickets, 7x, and they sold 2 student tickets, 2y, for a total of $47. 7x represents the amount of money that was brought in from the adult tickets, and 2 times y was the amount of money for 2 student tickets, and that total was $47. On the second day, the school took in $77, and they sold 1 adult ticket, and they sold 12 student tickets. So it looks like we could multiply the top equation by -6, or we could multiply the bottom equation by -7. So I kind of like the multiply the top by -6. So we're going to do that, and when we multiply -6 times 7 is -42, so -42x minus 12y equals, now 6 times 47, what's 6 times 47? 282, so -282, and then we have x plus 12y equals 77. So we just rewrite the second equation, and we're solving a system of linear equations here by adding the 2 equations together. -42x plus 1x is -41x equals, now -282 plus 77 would be 282 minus 77, and put a minus sign in front of it. So we have -205. So 282 minus 77 is 205, and then 205 divided by 41 would be 5. So if we divide by -41, we get x is equal to 5. So we found our first variable. The purpose of doing this whole thing where we multiplied the first equation by -6, the purpose of that is to get one of these variables to drop out when we eventually add the 2 equations together. So we get x equals 5. We're going to go ahead and replace x with 5 in the second equation, and we're going to get 5 plus 12y equals 77. Dividing, or subtracting, I should say, 5 from both sides, we get 12y equals 72, and we get y equals 6. So there's our 2 answers, but we have to interpret the answers and reread the question. Again, we're asked, what's the price of 1 adult ticket? Well, adult ticket price cost, that's kind of lame. The adult ticket price cost less. Oh yeah, that's right. The adult ticket price costs less, so that's $5 each. And then the student ticket price, well, actually that doesn't usually happen. I guess it depends on the event. Nevertheless, we found that y is equal to 6 and x is equal to 5, so we have the adult ticket price is $5 each and the student ticket price $6 each.